Hello and welcome to a kitchen setting, somewhere where, well, you don't usually find me. Welcome also to an appliance which is usually, well, pretty mundane. A food blender, a processor. But welcome to this. This over here is the Xiaomi Smart Blender. And what that means is, in typical Xiaomi sense, it's a traditional style blender, only with a little bit of clever thinking, with some smart applications. We're talking about 8-blade multi-cleaning. We're talking about smart timing, using your smartphone to connect to the device. We're talking simultaneous hot and cold blending, a lot of clever applications. Let's face it, these days we take things like this, fruit. We all want to get in shape with the Xiaomi Smart Blender, thanks to its versatility, blending ice, making smoothies, blending up all kinds of different dishes. It brings clever application to something common, something mundane, something like a food processor. So with this being said, let's now unbox it, see what comes inside. We'll give a quick tour of what comes inside the box, and then give a quick tour of what this can really do. Unboxing it here, we'll see what we get inside the packaging. So, first thing you're greeted with is an instructional card on the top here, Xiaomi instructional card. Then you get this first package over here. Now, this one contains the actual lid to the blender, and what's immediately apparent is it just feels well put together. It feels solid, it feels premium. It's something I think we've come used to from the Xiaomi brand. Then you get this additional little package here. This here is a cleaning kind of brush, which it comes with. Very neat. Another package up top here, which contains a little cup here with measurements. Also quite a nice touch, a measuring cup, perfect for the smoothies we're going to be producing. The next piece you get is this over here. That will of course go into your blender. It's a little blending tool, but we'll jump into that further. Inside here you get. Now this is certainly a hefty component. This is the base itself, and it's got, in this case, a South African plug on it. Feels incredibly premium. You can feel in the hand it's weighty, it's solid. Doesn't feel like your average run-of-the-mill blender, this. Put that to the side a second. Last bit we get inside the box here is, of course, the actual jug itself. And let's take this out of its packaging. Now this you can feel immediately has heft to it. Firstly, what I love to see is it's glass. So perfect for blending ice cubes and ice blocks. It's solid. It's got measurements on the side. It's got a neat, hefty handle here. And you can see everything about it, including the way it clips, is all about solidity. This isn't just a run-of-the-mill food processor or blender. In fact, this is a high-quality product. So, with it being unboxed, we'll take a quick tour now through all the components, the accessories, and what comes in the box. Then we're going to jump into making a couple of great smoothies using the Xiaomi blender. Strawberry smoothie, that sounds good. With all the ingredients here, I've chopped up the strawberries, the lemon, we got the sugar, the ice, and of course with the Xiaomi Home App here, we've got a bunch of effective and easy to use recipes. So I feel like a strawberry smoothie now. We've unboxed it, we got the device set up. So let's see what it's like using the Xiaomi Smart Home Blender. First thing to do, as the recipe describes here, is put everything into the blender. So we put some strawberries in there, we've got ice of course, and it's done according to the requirements, the portion. There's some sugar going into it, And here's some fresh lemon being squeezed in. What a great smoothie. The Xiaomi Smart Blender, well, it's a fantastic device. It's a home product, sure, something I wouldn't usually feature, but with its smart applications and, well, the proof is in the pudding, as they say, what an excellent device from the brand.